CNC drilling and taping center TV6. The mainboard is made of high-grade castings, and the bed structure is solid. After correction treatment, it can bear the increased cost by high-weight movement. This machine is equipped with a mid-build system, and you can also choose from GSK, Siemens, or Fennec. 21 umbrella shaped to magazines reduce the changing time. The machine comes standard with a Taiwanese 20,000 RPM spindle, which has high efficiency and low noise, ensuring the stability of high-speed taping. The drilling center is a CNC machine with the fastest performance and high precision that integrates drilling, punching, and taping. The XYZ 3-way rapid movement speed reaches 24 meters per minute, with faster response speed and high positioning accuracy.